This is the Rogue wall mount barbell holder, and on paper, it's just a metal bracket that holds your bar. But here's the thing. After living with it in a real garage gym, I realized this tiny piece of equipment completely changed how my space felt and how often I actually wanted to train. Rogue doesn't really talk about that part. So is this just overpriced steel, or is it secretly one of the smartest gym upgrades you can make? Rogue Wall Mount Barbell Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Rogue Wall Mount Barbell Holder made by Rogue Fitness, one of the most trusted names in strength training equipment. It's designed to securely store a standard Olympic barbell vertically against the wall, freeing up valuable floor space. It's aimed squarely at home gym owners, garage gym lifters, and even small commercial gyms that want organization without sacrificing durability. No moving parts, no gimmicks, just thick American-made steel with a UHMW plastic liner to protect your bar. It's simple, industrial, and very Rogue. Rogue Wall Mount Barbell Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform day to day? In short, it does exactly what you want it to do, and it does it without drama. I mounted this in a typical garage gym setup: concrete wall, power rack nearby, barbells in constant rotation. Sliding the bar in and out feels smooth thanks to that UHMW lining, and once it's in, it's rock solid. No wobble, no sketchy flex. Even with a heavy power bar, it stays locked in place. What surprised me most was the psychological effect. When your barbell is off the floor and on the wall, your gym instantly feels more intentional. Transitions between lifts are faster. Cleanup is effortless. You're not tripping over bars or leaning them awkwardly in corners. It's not flashy performance, but it's reliable, confidence-inspiring performance, the kind you forget about because it just works. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, and more importantly, why they matter. First, the UHMW plastic liner. This is huge. It protects your barbell's knurling and sleeve finish from metal-on-metal wear. In real life, that means your $300 to $600 bar doesn't slowly get chewed up every time you store it. Second, vertical storage design. Storing a bar vertically saves an insane amount of space. If your gym lives in a garage or spare room, this alone can be a game changer. More space for plates, sleds, or just moving around comfortably. And third, overbuilt steel construction. This thing feels indestructible. Rogue uses thick gauge steel, so even if you're constantly pulling the bar in and out, it doesn't flex or loosen over time. And finally, compatibility. It works with most Olympic barbells, power bars, Olympic bars, even specialty bars with standard sleeves. Design and build. Aesthetically, Rogue keeps it classic. Matte black powder coat, industrial vibe, zero nonsense. It looks exactly like you'd expect something from Rogue to look, and that's a good thing. The steel feels dense and premium, and the powder coat holds up well against chalky ends and accidental bumps. Mounting holes are clean and well-spaced, making installation straightforward if you hit studs or use proper anchors. This isn't decorative gym furniture. It's functional, brutalist, and purpose-built. And honestly, that fits perfectly in a serious training space. Pros. Protects expensive barbells with UHMW liner. Saves a ton of floor space. Clean, professional gym look. Cons. Only holds one bar per mount. Pricier than generic alternatives. Final verdict. Look, if you're a serious home gym owner who values durability, organization, and gear protection, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's not exciting, but it's the kind of upgrade that quietly improves every workout. If you're just starting out, renting, or trying to store multiple bars cheaply, there are budget options that'll get the job done, but they won't feel like this. They won't last like this. The Rogue Wall Mount Barbell Holder is one of those buy once, cry once purchases. You install it, forget about it, and 5 years later, it's still doing its job perfectly. Sometimes, that's exactly what great gear is supposed to do.